We're gonna go scare some people.
So we just, we put a train horn in my truck, and we're gonna go scare some people.
Jesus Christ!
What the hell?
The train coming down. Was that you guys?
Yeah, you want to hear it?
Yeah. Yeah, that sounds good. You guys taping?
Yeah.
Okay, all right.
Say that you're watching the GKC video.
Watching the GKC video.
Oh, you guys?
Yeah, you want to say you're watching it?
All right, man. That's cool. Hey,
Did I fuck it up with the train horn?
man, I can't hear you, brother. My hearing is so bad.
Was it from the train horn?
I can't hear it. Oh, you guys watching it? Are you guys watching it? Really? You guys are crazy, man. You guys have a good day.
Hey, what motherfucker? What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck?
What are you gonna do?
Dude, why you do that? Dude, that's so fucked up. Oh, shit.
Oh shit. Cops.
Cop?
Cops. Oh fuck. Put your seatbelt on. Put your seatbelt on. Oh shit.
We got a white Ford with 3 suspects in it.
How you doing,
I
sir?
see some license and registration, please. Sometime today, sir. I'm gonna need all of you to step out of the vehicle now, please. Pop the hood, please.
I mean, I haven't found a train horn. I bought it used, but some like.
Everybody get down on the ground right now. Get down, get down, get down.
Oh, I just hit my ankle. Calm down, calm down. Ow. Oh, that hurts.
Teach you kids. Punk kids.
Come on, come on. Just chill, chill.
Get down on the ground. I don't want a problem. You don't want a problem?
No, I don't. My mom's gonna be so upset.
Down on the ground. Dude. All right. You turn this thing off.